G'day everyone. Today I'm going to unbox this FeiyuTech AK2000 gimbal. Now, the people that have followed me for a while would know how much I love gimbals, so I'm really excited about trying this one out. So I thought we'd do an unboxing first. I can post that, and then tomorrow I'm actually going to go out and do some footage with it and show how it works and things like that. So I thought today we'd just do an unboxing, so we'll have a look at that now. This has been sent to me by FeiyuTech. But like anything I ever do, it's going to be an honest review. But let's have a look at the box now anyway. So this is the box that it comes in. Quite nice. I think also inside, because I haven't unboxed this yet either, but I've seen some other reviews that are out there, but I think inside it has a case. So inside it, there's just a frequently asked questions that it comes with. So I suppose that is just a quick setup of how to get it all going. It comes up with I think this is a warranty card. No, that's the same thing, but it's in a different language. Inside here, there's just a hello. Let me move that out of the way. Hello, and there's also in here the warranty card and a quick start guide. So they're the things that it actually comes with. So let's have a look at the cells. So it comes with this quite a nice case. That's the one thing I can say about the Moser Air Cross. I bought the Moser Air 2 just recently, and that didn't come with a case at all, which is a bit disappointing because you've got nowhere to put it. So this, even though this is foam, it looks like it's reasonably well made. So, you know, it looks quite nice. So you can see it from here, what it looks like. There's a couple of little handles on that side there. So it looks quite nice. So let's open it up and we'll have a look. So if I undo these clips, I'm just going to make sure we can see that on the top monitor. So what we've got inside here, I'll show you on this front camera first, and then I'll move it over so you can see it on the camera above. So it does look really quite neat and tidy if you're looking at how it's put away. There is a couple of sections here where it's just foam. I suppose you could put other things, take that out and put other things in as well. It might be that you've got a position for the handles if you buy the handles and stuff. But if we look at this here, let me just move this around so we can see it all. So what have we got here? We've got batteries. So they take, what are they? 18650 2200 mAh batteries, 3.7 volts. So it takes 4 of those. So they come in there. There's also a charger. So let's see if we can take that out. That comes with it as well. They must be the for the battery, the lead for the charger. Let me just open that up. Yeah, so that'll be the lead to connect the charger from somewhere. I'm not sure where it connects. Oh, it connects through the side through there. So that's what that's for. You've got a couple of these screws and stuff. I'm not sure what they're for yet. This will be a mount for using if you're protecting lenses and stuff, holding bigger lenses on the gimbal itself. So that's what they're for. Let me put that to the side. Comes with a really nice looking handle. Really nice, actually. That looks really good. I like using the handles because you can just drop them down on the floor. So this is particularly good, and it's metal, so that seems like it's a really nice one. So that's the handle. Not sure what this is. Let's take this one out. These will be leads if you want to use for the cameras to run off the battery or to control it. So we'll have to look at that once we set the whole thing up. This is the base plate, obviously, from here that you can use. So that's the base plate. And I think that's it, because I don't think there's anything else. Like I said, I think that's just a foam that's there. And then the gimbal itself just pops out like this. So this is the gimbal. It feels really nice. I love the handle. That feels beautiful. Really good. So let's have a look now, and we'll put it together and see how we go balancing it.